back, my friends, and happy Monday. I hope everyone had a fabulous weekend, but today we are not going to waste any time. We are just going to dive on in because I have a non-phone chat customer support work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Cherish. They are hiring a customer support chat specialist. We've talked about this on the channel before. Customer service and customer support does not always have to mean tied to the phones. Now, Cherish is a San Francisco-based company, and they are leading the online marketplace for exceptional home furnishings. So they deal with all kinds of home furnishings, and they are looking for a chat specialist to join their team as they relaunch their chat program. This position is going to be critical in providing support to the buyer, seller, and trade communities. So they are looking for someone to provide great customer service to their customers, driving satisfaction, loyalty, and of course, revenue and repeat purchases. They want someone who can be positive and professional when engaging with customers, primarily via chat related to channels Ask the Seller or converting them into brand loyalists. Now, you'll collaborate daily with internal teams to resolve any customer concerns. You'll attend and contribute to meetings as necessary, and you'll also participate in launching and supporting new initiatives. Now, they are looking for someone who has 3 years or more experience in web-based customer service using a variety of channels, phone, email, or chat. Someone who's familiar with Zendesk or other customer chat and ticketing systems. Someone who can work with Google Docs and Gmail. If you have a background or interest in home design, that is a plus, but it is not required. They want someone who is really going to be customer focused, who is ready to learn and grow, and who can genuinely listen to customer concerns. Now, while they did not list the salary for this position, that is always going to be dependent on location and experience and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. They do offer full benefits, including health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, paid holidays, and short-term disability and life insurance. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.